I'm Avier. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a drone tutorial video because I asked for 3 likes and 1 comment. And I got 3 likes and 1 comment. Thank you, and let's go. Okay, so this is how you get the camera up. We had massive problems with this, but I will tell you how you get it. Just follow along. Alright, what you want to do first is go into your Wi-Fi. Well, first turn on the drone. I have it on. And then go into your Wi-Fi. And then press Avier Elite Drone. That should show up once the drone's on. And then you press that. And then connect. And then it should send you an email. Then there we go. And then you want to press it. And then just press yes. Just yes. You can read it if you want. Just press yes. Yes. And then you want to go into Avier Elite Drone, the app, and I'll show you here. It'll go like this. And then you press start. Start. And then, here we go. Okay, so how you unlock the drone is you turn on the drone and the controller, and then you want to go like this. Make sure you do it fast. Sometimes it doesn't work correctly, so hold on, let me cut and then I'll just do that. Okay, so how you're going to get the drone to start up is you get this one, the left and right, left, right. You want to move them both like that, and it'll take off, but I'm not going to take off yet. It will turn off in a second, so just 1 second. And there's the camera, we have it. And then, so we're going to have it take off in 1 second. Show them the camera. Alright, we're going to have it just barely take off since we're inside. I might jump down for a second. So there we go. That was the first clip. I'm going to make one more clip. Okay, I moved it a little farther away from the wall. I kind of ran straight into the wall. So after this, even if I crash, I'm probably going to end the video. So alright, let's take off one more time. I'm not very good at flying inside, so let me move it. Keep recording. One more time. Alright, let's go. And land. We landed well. Alright, thank you.